Welcome to Our Furry Friends, the go-to channel for all things Chihuahua. If you're a proud owner of one of these pint-sized pups, you know that they have a ton of energy and personality packed into their tiny bodies. But as any Chihuahua owner knows, taking care of these little ones can be a lot of work. That's why today, we're tackling some of the most frequently asked questions about the Chihuahua breed. But before we dive into our list of FAQs, we have a special question for you. Have you ever been out with your Chihuahua and had someone ask you about the breed? Maybe they asked if Chihuahuas are high maintenance or if they're good with kids. Or maybe you've had questions of your own about the breed. Well, you're in luck because today we're answering all of your burning questions about Chihuahuas. So, let's get started with our first question. Are Chihuahuas high maintenance? The answer is both yes and no. While Chihuahuas do have a lot of energy and personality, they are also a small breed and don't require a lot of space. They are also low shedders, which makes them a good option for people with allergies. However, they do require regular grooming and can be prone to health issues, so they do require a bit of extra care. Next up, we have a question that is often asked by potential Chihuahua owners. Are Chihuahuas good with kids? The answer is yes, but it depends on the individual dog and the children. Like any breed, Chihuahuas can be trained to be good with kids and can make great family pets. However, it's important to supervise any interactions between children and dogs and to teach kids to be gentle with animals. Number 3 on our list is a question that is often asked by Chihuahua owners. How do I potty train my Chihuahua? Potty training a Chihuahua can be a bit of a challenge, but it is possible. The key is to be consistent and patient. Start by creating a routine for your Chihuahua and take them outside at the same times every day. Use a consistent command, such as go potty, and reward them with treats and praise when they go outside. It may also be helpful to use a crate or playpen to contain your Chihuahua when you can't directly supervise them. Continuing on with our list, we have a question about Chihuahua health. Are Chihuahuas prone to health issues? Like any breed, Chihuahuas can be prone to certain health issues. Some common health concerns for Chihuahuas include dental issues, respiratory problems, and eye problems. It's important to regularly take your Chihuahua to the vet for checkups and to follow a proper diet and exercise routine to help prevent health issues. Up next, we have a question that is often asked by people who are considering getting a Chihuahua. Are Chihuahuas good apartment dogs? The answer is yes, Chihuahuas are a great option for apartment living. They are a small breed and don't require a lot of space, and their small size also makes them easy to transport. Just make sure to give your Chihuahua plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to prevent boredom. At number 6, we have a question about Chihuahua grooming. Do Chihuahuas require a lot of grooming? The answer is yes, Chihuahuas do require regular grooming to maintain their coat, and at number 6, we have a question about Chihuahua grooming. Do Chihuahuas require a lot of grooming? The answer is yes, Chihuahuas do require regular grooming to maintain their coat and overall health. It's important to brush their coat at least once a week to prevent tangles and mats, and to trim their nails regularly to prevent overgrowth. Chihuahuas are also prone to dental issues, so it's important to brush their teeth regularly and take them to the vet for professional cleanings. Number 7 on our list is a question that is often asked by new Chihuahua owners. How do I train my Chihuahua? Training a Chihuahua can be a bit of a challenge, but it is possible with consistency and patience. Start by establishing a routine and using positive reinforcement techniques, such as treats and praise, to reward good behavior. It's also important to be consistent with your commands and to set clear boundaries for your Chihuahua. Next up, we have a question about Chihuahua feeding. What is the best diet for a Chihuahua? The best diet for a Chihuahua will depend on their age, size, and overall health. It's important to feed your Chihuahua a high-quality, species-appropriate diet that is rich in protein and nutrients. Consult with your vet or a professional dog nutritionist to determine the best diet for your Chihuahua. At number 9, we have a question that is often asked by potential Chihuahua owners. Are Chihuahuas good first-time pets? The answer is yes, Chihuahuas can be great first-time pets for responsible owners. They are a small breed and don't require a lot of space, and their small size also makes them easy to transport. However, it's important to be prepared for the responsibility of owning a pet and to do your research on the breed before getting a Chihuahua. Finally, we have a question that is often asked by Chihuahua owners. How do I stop my Chihuahua from barking excessively? Excessive barking can be a common issue with Chihuahuas, but it is possible to train them to bark less. The key is to identify the cause of the barking and to address it. It could be due to boredom, anxiety, or a lack of training. Consult with a professional dog trainer or behaviorist for specific tips on how to address excessive barking in your Chihuahua. And that concludes our list of Chihuahua FAQs. We hope you found these answers helpful and that you learned something new about the Chihuahua breed. If you have any other questions about Chihuahuas, be sure to leave them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for tuning into Our Furry Friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content about Chihuahuas and other furry friends.